you need to open your messages, and if it's green, you need to know that if you're sending a message from iPhone to Android, the message will be green. If it's not your case, your message need to be blue if it's from iPhone to iPhone. But if it's green, there are 3 solutions. So go back to the start page and go to restart iMessage. For this, you need to go to settings and open general. Once you're in general, you need to open messages, or you can search in the bar for messages. It's a green icon. So you need to turn on iMessage. If it's turned off, you can't send messages or blue bubbles. So turn on, and you have to go to send and receive and check that it's a phone and an email. Once you do that, you can go to the solution 2. That is, check your internet speed. So for this one, you need to go to Safari and search in the bar for check internet speed. The first option, that it's from Safari or Google, you can check the internet, and you can confirm that your internet connection is working well. Try browsing a website or using another app. If the internet connection is stable but you're still seeing green messages, then you need to restart your iPhone or restart network settings. For this one, you need to go to open settings once again and tap on the settings app on your iPhone. Then go to general and scroll down to tap transfer or reset iPhone. You can reset network settings, so select reset and reset network settings. You need to enter your passcode, and once you're entered your passcode, you can confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart and your network settings will be reset. After completing these steps, your iPhone should be able to send blue bubble messages. But if the problem persists, you may need to contact Apple support.